Hi, my name is John, and I will be one of your guides throughout this course. I will teach you how to download and install R and RStudio. For Mac users, to install R, first open an internet browser and go to www.r-project.org. Click the Download R link in the middle of the page under Getting Started. Then, select a CRAN location or a mirror site and click the corresponding link. After that, click on the Download R for Mac OS X link at the top of the page. Click on the file containing the latest version of R under Files. Finally, save the .pkg file, double-click it to open, and follow the installation instructions. Now that R is installed, you need to download and install RStudio. To install RStudio, go to www.rstudio.com and click on the Download RStudio button. Click on Download RStudio Desktop. Finally, click on the version recommended for your system, or the latest Mac version. Save the .dmg file on your computer, double-click it to open, and then drag and drop it into your Applications folder.